Hi, welcome to Ed 3508. I'm Joe.
And I'm Brooke, and we're going to show you how to make a Google quiz today.
So, the first thing you want to do is open your Google Drive. From here, you can click New and scroll down to More, where you'll find Google Forms. You want to click here, and you can make a blank form or use a template. We're going to use a blank form today.
So, right now, the form is a survey, which you can leave it like that if you want, but for today, we're going to show you how to make it into a quiz. First thing you need to do is go up to this little gear by the Send button, and then hit the Quizzes tab over here. Then there's this little tab here, and when you click that, it makes it into a quiz. And you can either have the quiz send out the marks right after you do it, or you can send them out as yourself, which is what I'm going to do there. And then you hit save.
So, you want to make sure you give your quiz a clear and concise title so that you will be able to find it later and your students will know which quiz they're taking. So we're going to title this Grade 1 Math Quiz. And you have the option to write a description underneath here. And we're going to let the kids know that they have 20 minutes to take this test.
Okay, so the first question we're going to make is a multiple choice question, which is actually already up and ready for us to go. So the first question is going to be, what is 1 plus 1? And then you can add in a bunch of different options for what the answer should be. So we'll put 1 as an option, then we're going to hit return, and it'll give us another question. After you have all of your options in, you're going to hit answer key. This will allow you to choose what the right answer to the question is, which is 2. Now it's highlighted with a check mark saying that this is the right answer to the question, and we're going to assign 1 point to this question. After you're done, hit edit question, and it'll take you back to the main screen.
So to add our next question, we're going to go over here to this plus sign, click it, and here's our second question. We can go over to this option here and decide what kind of question we want it to be. So we last had multiple choice, and we're going to go on to a checkbox question. So pretty similar to the multiple choice, we add our question first. What is 2 plus 2? And move on to our answers. Options could be 2, return 3, return 4, 5. And then we go to our answer key again and click the right answer, which is 4. And again, sign it a point value of 1. Push the edit question to save your answer and move on to the next one.
All right, now that we've learned how to do a checkbox question, we're going to add another question over at the plus mark here, and we're going to go to this option again, and we're going to choose how to do a drop down. This, again, like the multiple choice, we're just going to add a question, so 1 plus 2. And then again, you just add in your answer. So we'll do 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter, and 4. And then we're again just going to go back to this answer key, choose the correct answer, which is 3, and assign it 1 point. And then hit edit question to save the answer.
Okay, moving on, we'll create another question, and you also have the option of creating questions which the students write in the answer themselves using short answer or paragraph style questions. And they're both pretty much the same, so I'm just going to show you the short answer. So again, you just write your question. And right from here, you just go to your answer key and type in the correct answer here. and of course assign it a value of 1 point, and edit question to save.
All right, so we're going to show you how to make one more question today. So we're going to go back to this option like we have and choose multiple choice grid. This kind of question is really good for true and false questions. So what you're going to do is type in a couple questions. So 1 plus 3 equals 4, and we're going to do one more, and that's going to be 1 plus 5 equals 3. And then for your columns, they're going to be true, and we'll do one more, that is false. And then you go to your answer key. You can see here 1 plus 3 does equal 4, so you make that one true. And 1 plus 5 does not equal 3, so you hit false. And then, of course, we're going to assign them both 1 point values, and then hit edit question to save.
So now that we have all of our questions created, I'm just going to show you that you also have the option to change the design layout of your quiz. You can scroll back up to the top and click on this paint palette symbol right here, which will allow you to change the colors of the top of the quiz by choosing theme color. And you can also choose the background color, this space over here. And then you also have the option of choosing an image for your header by clicking Choose Image. And Google already has all these options for you. So you can scroll through and choose one that's more applicable to your quiz. We'll click this planet Earth. And then the picture you've chosen will show up at the top of your quiz here.
All right, now that we've completed our entire quiz, you can go up to this little eyeball, and this is the preview button, and it allows you to see the quiz from the student's perspective. So I'm just going to go through and we can see each question that we did. So this is our multiple choice question. So the students can go 1 plus 1 is 2 and choose their answer. And then this one is our checkbox question, and 2 plus 2 is 4. This was our drop down question, so what's 1 plus 2? And that is 3. This was our short answer question, so what's 3 minus 2? That's 1. And this was our multiple choice grid question. So 1 plus 3 equals 4, that's true, and 1 plus 5 equals 3, that's false. Then the students would hit submit and all of the answers would be sent to you.
So that is how you create a quiz using Google Docs.
I hope this video was very informative to you guys.
Bye!